Hey guys, what's up? It's Hash here, and today I'm going over the bounty reward program in GoMining. So, if you're looking to earn GoMining tokens, invest them, reinvest them back into your GoMining miner, you can do that using the bounty program. And you don't even have to spend a penny. So what you're currently looking at right now is the bounty leaderboards. Now this is just for Epoch 6, but this is all cycles. So for the leaderboards right now, I am ranked 191. I've done a total of 55 tasks and earned 483 points. And in return, that means I have earned $89.06 in rewards or 246 GoMining tokens. So essentially, I have gained $89 for free just by performing these tasks right here. So in each cycle, each week, there will be a set amount of tasks you can do. Now, they are the same task each week, except for the Reddit karma task right here. This will enter a bye week. Usually once this comes back, it will be here for 2 cycles, and then it will be gone for a cycle, and then come back again for 2 more cycles. So the Reddit karma task does enter a bye week. And then you have the X Twitter task. So this depends on your Tweet Scout score. And what is Tweet Scout? So if you're active on X and have built a solid presence, there's a new way to get rewarded for simply sharing great content. GoMining is giving the crypto community a way to earn points and perks just for amplifying GoMining updates. And the best part, there's no obligations, there's no forced promos, just an easy way to earn by doing what you already do. So, what's Tweet Scout? Tweet Scout is a rating system that measures how influential you are on X. The more engagement, credibility, and reach you have, the higher your Tweet Scout score will be. And now, that score can do more than just sit there looking impressive. It can earn you rewards. And this is what GoMining uses to branch out its rewards each day for sharing their posts on X. So there is a few requirements. You do gotta follow GoMining on X. You have to have at least 10 followers, and then retweet or quote selected GoMining tweets. Earn points daily based on your score, and then you multiply your earnings as your score grows. So starting off, if you don't have a high Tweet Scout score, you're gonna be level 1 unknown, and you're gonna get 2 points per day, 14 points per week max. And then it does scale up. You get up to newbie, and then you can get 5 points per day, and then 7, 10. And that just keeps on scaling up, and then you can eventually get to where you are getting 2,240 points a week. Now, I am going to go ahead and say, if you are anywhere near this right here, you're probably going to be in the top 100 leaderboards all the time. So if you already have a huge Tweet Scout score, go ahead and invest in this. You'll be earning money for free pretty much just by using your Twitter or X. And then moving on over, there is Telegram. So I know most of you guys know what Telegram is. So for Telegram, every day if you join the conversation and you post 10 meaningful messages per day, you'll earn 2 points. So you'll be able to get 2 points per day, and that will stack up to about 14 points per week, which is pretty good. That will get you really high on the leaderboards. So let's go ahead and hop into the Telegram. So this is the Telegram right here. Now over here on the left side, there is the clan recruitment, French, German, Spanish, Academy, and Miner Wars weekly stats. And then of course there's the general chat, and that's the one that I am always in pretty much. So yeah, you just come in here, you just talk to some guys, hang out, talk about some strategies, talk about your earnings for the week in Miner Wars, talk about your daily rewards, anything like that, and then you'll earn your 2 points for the task. It's pretty simple, not too hard at all. But I do want to mention, be aware of scammers. As soon as you join this in your first time, you will most likely get a message, probably from a fake GoMining team player. Don't fall for it, just ignore them. They will never ever contact you personally. Now, moving on over to the referrals. So this is the biggest hitters. So go ahead and get started with GoMining. Tell all of your friends and family, get these referrals stacked up. You'll get 50 points for every referral that signs up and creates their first miner. And then you even get a nice little point just for them signing up. If they just want to try it out, they can use the 16 terahash bonus miner, and they'll give them some bonus days, and they can complete these tasks as well, so they can earn more of these bonus miner days. So going back over here to the leaderboards. So for this cycle 117, I was actually ranked number 1 for a whole day pretty much, but now I am ranked 21, which is still not bad. So if I stay in this position throughout the whole week, I will get about $19 in GoMining tokens, which is pretty decent and pretty awesome. That's 52 of them. And right now I have a total of 207 points. I'm hoping to get that increased by the end of this cycle. I want to get up here by these guys. I want to be on number 1. I don't even know who the GoMining character is. I've looked him up, can't find him anywhere. But anyways, getting back over to it, you do have your history showing all of your points that you have gotten. So as you see here, I did get a referral. So here's the referral program. And this is what I mean, how this could be one of the biggest makers for you. If you talk to your friends and family and you get them to sign up and they start investing in GoMining, you get 5% of their created miners, power upgrades, efficiency upgrades. If they do miner award, you get 2.5% from their boost in there. And then if you ever want to, you can also become an ambassador and get a little bit more change from them actually using energy. And then I did want to talk about the Reddit karma task. I do already have this completed. You do have to need 8,000 plus karma and at least a 1 terahash miner to participate with this task. And then what you do is once you get the 8,000 karma, you'll just follow the bot on Telegram and it will show you exactly what to do to get the rewards. Now when it comes to the best ones, the Reddit task and the referrals, I believe is the best ones you can try to get as much as you can. Of course, if you are big on X already and you're getting like 2,000 points a week from this alone, you're gonna want to stick to this then, because you're gonna be getting massive amount of points from X. And that'll be it for this video, guys. I hope I was able to help you out, give you a little bit of information on the bounty reward program. If you have any questions or comments or tips, leave them in the comments. Let's help each other out. We're a growing community. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. See ya.